Let's make someone an admin on an Instagram group chat. Now, if you have a long-standing Instagram group chat and you want somebody else as an admin to be able to, say, kick people off or restrict people or just manage the group in general, you can always do so. And to do that, let's hop into Instagram and tap on the messages at the top right. And then we will tap on that group chat. And here you can see at the very top left is the name. I will tap on that. And if I scroll down to the bottom, it shows all of the members within this group chat. I can make any of these people admin just by tapping on those three dots right next to their name. And at the very bottom, it says make admin. So I can tap on that. And now, instead of being the only admin of this group, you can see both myself and Haley are admins. I can always tap those three dots here and remove that person as an admin if I no longer want them as an admin to, manage all these different things, remove people, change all different kinds of names and pictures associated with this group chat, all that stuff. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.